In this video, we will be discussing about relative complement of B with respect to A and then A with respect to B. We have already discussed about complement. Now, we have discussed complement of A with respect to universal set or complement of set B again with respect to universal set. But now, we are discussing complements of B with respect to A or set A with respect to B. So, the set of elements which are in A but not in B is going to be relative complement of B with respect to A, and it is denoted by A difference B. Now, we can write this as set of all x such that x is in A and x is not in B. Now, suppose we are drawing Venn diagram for this. This is going to be universal set. This is set A and set B, set A and set B. So, relative complement of B with respect to A is going to be, we have to consider this set A, and from set A we are deleting this B, A difference B, it is also called as A difference B. So, from A we are cancelling this B, so whatever is remaining is nothing but A difference B, that is set of all x such that x belongs to set A but not in set B, does not belongs to set B, and it is called as a relative complement of B respect to A because we have outside B with respect to B, it is complement of B with respect to A. So, we are considering this B and taking outside of B but with respect to only A. So, it is nothing but A difference B. Now, the second thing is B difference C, that is relative complement of set A with respect to B, and that can be written as B difference A, and B difference A is nothing but set of all x such that x will be in B and those x which does not belongs to A. Again, suppose we are going for Venn diagram, set A and set B, this is your universal set, it can be also written as x. So, now we are looking for B difference A, that is relative complement of A with respect to B. So, we have to consider this, and from this we have to subtract this. So, remaining is going to be your B difference A or relative complement of A with respect to B. Now, let us discuss this example. Here set A and set B is given. What we have to find is relative complement of B with respect to A and A with respect to B, that is A difference B and B difference A. So, let me start with A difference B. Now, let us draw Venn diagram first. So, this is set A and set B and universal set. So, in set A we have 2, 5, 7, 9, here we have 3, 4, 8, 9. So, what is common is 9. Here we have 2, 5, 7 and 9. Here we have 3, 4, 8 and 9. Now, A difference B. So, we have to consider A, and from A we have to cancel this B. So, whatever is remaining is going to be A difference B. So, this part, whatever this part we have is A difference B. It is 2, 5 and 7. From A we are subtracting B. So, from set A we are cancelling this B, subtracting B. So, whatever is remaining is nothing but A difference B. So, A difference B is 2, 5 and 7. So, we have here 2, 5 and 7. Similarly, B difference A. Now, here first set is B. So, consider B and from B cancel this A. So, whatever is remaining is going to be B difference A. So, what we have is 3, 4 and 8. 3, 4 and 8. Now let's look at another example. So here we have to find A complement minus B complement and B complement minus A complement. That is A complement difference B complement and B complement difference A complement. It is same as the previous example what we had discussed, but here we were discussing about A difference B and B difference A, wherein here we are discussing about A complement difference B complement and B complement difference A complement. So here universal set is given, set A and set B is given. The first thing is we have to find what is A complement and what is B complement. Then only we can go for differences. So let me start with A complement. Now A complement can be written as AC, A raised to power C, or A dash. So complement is nothing but the elements which are in universal set but which are not in A. So 1 we have in A, 2 we don't have, so 2 will come in complement, 3 we have, 4 also we have, so 5 will come in complement, 6 will be in complement, again 7 will be in complement, 8 we have in A, 9 and 10 we don't have, so 9 and 10 will be in complement. Similarly, B complement, the elements which are in universal set but which are not in B. So we don't have 1, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, so next will be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is there, so 9 is not going to come here, then 10. So we got A complement and B complement. Next is A complement difference B complement. So A complement difference B complement. The elements which are in, now forget about universal set, we have to only consider set A complement and set B complement, and from A complement we have to subtract B complement. So look at these elements. So from these elements we have to subtract the elements which are already there in B. So 2 is not there, so 2 will come here, 5 is there, okay, so we have to subtract that 5. Then 6 is also there here, so we have to subtract 6. 7 is again there. So 8 is not there, sorry, 9. So 9 will come here, 10 is also there, so 10 is not going to come. Now, if we draw Venn diagram for this, so this is my set A dash and this is set B dash. So in A dash I have 2, 5, 6, 7, 9 and 10, from which 5 is common, 6 is common, 7 is common and 10 is also common. The remaining are 2 and 9, here remaining are 1 and 8. So A difference B, so if I am subtracting all this, remaining is just 2, 9, and for B difference A, B difference A, so remaining is only 1 and 8. So this is going to be 1,